Hello, I am going to be showing you how you can buy from Alibaba as an individual. So if you want to buy for personal use and you don't want to buy large quantities, or you want to buy large quantities but you don't want like like fees or like custom fees and stuff like that, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to be showing you every step on how you can buy for personal use, how you can buy items for you. You want to buy like small quantities. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do this. Okay, even a single product you can buy it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can do this. Now first you need to search here for what you want to purchase. Now for example, iPhone case. Okay, so when you click here, when you search for the thing that you want to purchase, if you click here on more filters here in the top right, you will be able to filter. Now what you need to do is here you want to select here the minimum order. Now if you want to buy only one product and you want to get it shipped into your house, then you want to select here one. The minimum order is one. Okay, if you want to buy many, you can just select here how many you want. Now here the price, you can also set here the minimum price and the maximum price. Now if you don't want to exceed a certain price, you can just enter it here. I want only less than $20, and they can do that here. If you scroll down, you can also choose the supplier country. Now if you want these products to be available in Fairland or United States or China, you can do that here. So in my case, I'm going to go with China. Okay, now after that, you can also search for product certifications. If you want this product to have certifications, you can select it here, but not really important for me. So after that, you can also click on trade assurance if you want to protect all your orders on Alibaba. This option is very important. Click on apply. Now you will be able to find like sellers who are able to ship this as single product. Now if they are able to ship a single product to you, they will be able to see here start order immediately. If they cannot, you will see something like, yeah, all these sellers, if they are not, you will be able to see only this two options, chat now and this send. Okay, so you will not be able to see this start order. Now if you see here start order, it means that you just need to select the color that you want to purchase and for what iPhone, for example iPhone 15 or 16 or 17, and then you will be able to click on start order, and then it will take you directly to your address here, and you just need to add the address. Now the shipping fee is here $33 because I'm shipping this to outside of United States. If the shipping price is very expensive to you after you add the address here, you can always go and chat now and then contact the supplier. If they have a cheaper price for shipping, you can also negotiate with them, because like the Alibaba suppliers are very used to negotiations. So just negotiate the prices and you will be able to buy any quantity you want with them. If you can buy a lot of quantities, or you can buy only one quantity. You can also talk to them about custom fees, how much money you are going to pay, and tell them your country. They will ask you all these questions. You just need to click on chat now and then chat with them, and you will be able to find a good price for both of you. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.